at the end of this chapter, that is energy conservation. Now let us discuss some energy saving tips while cooking. So these are the common practices you must be knowing about, but let us discuss. First is the use of pressure cooker. Keep the vessels covered while cooking. Use flat and wide bottom vessel for cooking. Turn off the gas when not in use. Turn off the gas for few minutes when the cooking is finished. Do not overcook or add too much water to the food. Use solar cooker as far as possible. So by practicing all these tips, we can consume, we can conserve, we can save maximum energy. Now some energy saving tips for transport: walk or use cycle for short distances, get the vehicle serviced regularly, maximum use of public transport, we should follow the traffic rules. Coming to the energy saving tips for domestic conservation, that is at home, these are the common practices. Switch off the lights and fans when not in use. Do not leave computer or television on standby mode. Use energy efficient lights, fans when consumes less electricity, and we should not waste electricity in unproductive work. Now here is some diagrammatically representation how we save electricity, how we conserve electricity. So these are the methods. Almost 15 methods are there. I think the pictorial method is best way to memorize the things, to understand the things. So that's all, student. Thank you very much. So now we have completed second chapter, energy.